Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan. Welcome to this video. This video will be a guide on all the steps that's necessary before you order and after you order from my website. So how the process really works is you have two options. You have option 1, where you order directly from the website. And you have option 2, where you order live on a call with me. On this call, we will discuss all the questions you have and I can show you my portfolio. If you want to go with this route, you can click on the survey and you can fill this out. And then eventually we will talk on Facebook Messenger and then we can schedule a call. If you want to go with option 1, you can just click on the services and then you will be led to this page. Oh yeah, keep in mind that you can always ask any questions you have here. I typically respond within 10 hours. Most of the time it's more like 1 or 2. Keep that in mind. So on this page, you can read about product photography, the importance of it, and why I think you need to really not neglect product photography. So you can read about that. We have a service comparison chart where you can see why you have to choose us instead of competitors, but that's up to you obviously. And we have the pricing. So we have 3 packages that we sell: the standard, the intermediate, and the advanced package. Each package comes with their own benefits. For example, in package 1, you only get one. In the standard package, you can only get one main image. If you think, hey, why do I need more than one main image? Well, on Amazon, we always test, and data is key on Amazon. So sometimes we think if we shoot like 3 main images, and sometimes we think this image will typically perform the best, and we test it out, and the image that will be performing the best is the image that we thought was the worst. So we never know what image performs the best, and we always want to test out the necessary images so we can optimize that part of Amazon. And the pricing difference is mostly because of the models. Here we have lifestyle models, and not just one model, sometimes even 3 or 4. And that's because your target audience might be a woman of 50, but also a man of 20. So that's why we need to use different lifestyle models. We can get into this product page real quickly. You can just check this out as well. So after you order, what will happen is you will have to fill out the detailed action plan. I will quickly pull that up. This is the detailed action plan. It is a walkthrough and a document that you have to fill out for the necessary information for me to start shooting your product images. It also states my address where you have to send the product to, and these are the questions that you have to answer. Sometimes we do these questions right on the phone call, but most of the time you can just fill them out and send them to me by email, which is all explained here. And questions like making a mood board, which might take a little bit of time, but I want to match the expectations you have as closely as possible so we don't have any problems with each other. Just read through this and fill this out as best as possible. And by the way, this is a document that you have to fill out after your purchase. So if you purchase on the phone or if you purchase right from the website, this will be sent through email and then you have to send it back to me. Once you have sent it back to me, I will have to do my market research about the product and see the niche in detail. After I do that, I will immediately fill out this inside document. In the inside document, we go into detail on the main image and the secondary images, what the goal is behind the main image, how we can differentiate from the competition, the composition, the angle, and if the packaging is included in the main image. This is basically just for me, so when I shoot, and also actually for you, but mainly for me, so when I do the product images and when I shoot, I know exactly what I have to do. The best thing is the client, you have to approve before I make my product images so that we have no problem with each other. And this is really how a folder or a project looks with a client, this client Orion, the inside document that I help fill out. And we really, once this is filled out, your expectations are clear, my expectations are clear. When I start making your product images, I know exactly what to shoot. Furthermore, this is a mood board the client made. You can also give me links to product listings you like and you want me to copy off of. That's also totally fine. After all this is done, the next step for you is to send your product. Actually, even before that, you want to send your product over to me. I have an exact date that I will be shooting your product images. And throughout the shooting, I will be making pictures, even sometimes videos about your product. So we can be really transparent and coming over as honest as we can. So that really are all the steps that we take. Once the product shooting is done, I will be sending you them over by Dropbox Business. That really is the last part. Sometimes we work together more often with different projects. If you have more products launching in the future, then hey, come back to me and we can work together on that as well. Some clients even come back to me with the question if we do video as well. And I don't have anything about video on my website yet, but we definitely do shoot video as well. Most photographers are also videographers. So yeah, we do videography. So really the best thing is to just ask me on Facebook here and we can discuss and jump on a quick call and we can discuss everything about your business. And yeah, that's really the process. So I hope everything is clear now and that you know what to do. So that's basically it. Have a great day. See you later.